waste course where you will learn to identify, prioritize, and take action towards the removal of waste in your organization. In this course, you will learn about the major forms of waste that are present in all organizations around the world. This course was designed as a solid foundational introduction for even the newest lean practitioners who need to see and identify each and every form of waste, while still challenging experienced veterans with activities they can use to help train and develop other team members. Another way to use this course is to root out waste. You will not only learn to see waste, but you will also be equipped with a general arsenal of lean solutions that will get you headed in the right direction. Not only will you learn about the different types of waste in organizations, but you will learn about the three major categories of work that all work activities can be placed in. Additionally, you will be asked to perform activities that will walk you through brainstorming, participating in quick improvements all throughout the course. By the end of this course, you will not only know what waste is, but you will have a solid foundation to continue building lean expertise on. It's possible that you have heard of the 8 types of waste in other courses before, but rest assured, we will dive deep into each of the 8 forms of waste. We will prepare you to share with others and help you begin developing real solutions for each opportunity you find. Because the course asks participants to complete activities throughout their learning experience, it not only educates participants, but has the potential to develop real returns. Together, we will travel through each of the forms of waste step by step. Since lean concepts can be applied in any industry, this course is perfect for any individual looking to enhance the professional skills or organizations that want to begin learning and moving forward with continuous improvement concepts. So, what are you waiting for? Look through the course description, watch the free previews, and click on the enroll button right now, and let's get started with solutions that ignite your power today.